December 2024, 4 months after I went all in on Substack, 1 month after I became a bestseller, and the exact same time when I got stuck. My paid subscriber growth flattened. My new subscribers growth was stable on 300 per month and not increasing. No matter what I did, it was not increasing. Everyone was going viral on Substack notes. I wasn't. I felt I was falling behind, except I had so much knowledge about AI and technology that it felt so frustrating to not be able to put it to work for my growth. People say I'm a nerd, and I love it. I'm obsessed with data, AI, and automation so much that I'm about to graduate as a full stack Python programmer. I just had to utilize that for my growth. And so I did. Hands on, all in again, this time on AI and automations. And so in January 2025, I implemented an automation between Substack and Kit, which helped me start selling my paid subscriptions again, this time on autopilot. No need to run promotions anymore. This doubled my paid subscribers' growth rate. I didn't have to think about promotions or how to sell more of my paid subscription. I outsourced that to automations so I could finally focus on delivering great value to my paid members and work with clients. In February, I upgraded my custom GPT, the Notes Writer, with hundreds of viral notes data and implemented a new content strategy. It tripled my new subscribers' growth with multiple viral notes and tons of highly engaging ones, which, by the way, are more important. And the most committed of my paid members who use it report similar results. By May, I was ready with an automation powered by AI agents that takes my Substack post, turns it into multiple social media posts adapted for each platform, and posts it automatically. By July, I was ready with my professional-looking AI clone with my real voice and my real face that allowed me to create multiple video content formats in minutes, like the one you're watching right now. All done in minutes, no shooting with a camera, no recording of my voice, no complex video editing. Not anymore. Think YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, paid ads. Yes, paid ads too. Substack is technically not very friendly to paid advertising. Landing pages suck, and the tracking is kinda limited, and the subscriber flow is not optimized for high conversion from external sources. But in September, I finally found the key elements I needed to fix in order to start growing with paid ads. I only gained a couple of hundred subscribers in total for all of the months I've tested with low budgets ever since December, but look at the conversion rates, they're pretty decent. So now I have the complete foundations to scale. I have fixed free subscribers growth, both organic and paid. I have fixed the paid subscriber growth, both conversion and retention. I have automated social media and video creation. I'm set to scale. Oh, and in the meantime, I've built an army of AI agents, custom GPTs helping me with time-consuming tasks. I call them my minions. And this is exactly what I'm about to show you in the Quest Labs. This took me months to build, but you don't have to invest that time. It's all ready for you to implement. It's the AI and automation's hands-on extension of the one and only Substack Quest. You'll find all of the settings explained step by step with templates for you to plug and play, also with my minions. Plus, all of the AI training data files. I reveal these for the first time, just in case you want to play around and build some agents for yourself. Join me in this exciting quest. Find out how in the description. I literally can't wait to see you inside.